Are you ready to move beyond the AI hype and start building real business value? Welcome to your ultimate blueprint, Mastering AI Agents. Nana is here to guide you past the common pitfalls, taking you from initial concept to cost-effective deployment. You will learn exactly how to define the right agent behavior, equip them with powerful capabilities and knowledge, and crucially, master the economics so your AI solution is sustainable. Stop guessing and start designing effective digital colleagues. The path to real value starts right here. Watch the full video course now.
Welcome to the non-techie guide to designing AI agents, led by Nana. We have moved far beyond simple chatbots that just follow rigid scripts. We are now in the era of true AI agents, sophisticated entities capable of reasoning, using tools, and acting autonomously. But designing an effective one isn't just about the technology. It's about making strategic decisions regarding behavior, orchestration, and cost to realize real business value. The first critical step is choosing your agent type based on this central question. Where will your agent live, and who will it serve? Do you extend Microsoft 365 Copilot? This gives superpowers to your existing internal tools like Teams and Word. It's perfect for users with existing licenses who need to reason over internal SharePoint data to solve productivity gaps. Or do you build a standalone agent? Choose this path for connecting with external customers or suppliers on websites and apps. It's necessary when you need full control over branding and personality or require complex multi-agent systems.
Building an effective AI agent isn't just about the technology. It requires strategic design decisions before you even start building. To solve business problems effectively, you must determine what your agent is for, how it behaves, and what it will cost. First, choose your agent type. Are you extending Microsoft 365 Copilot to give superpowers to internal users and teams? Or are you building a standalone agent for external customers on a website? Next, select the agent's brain, or orchestration model. Generative orchestration uses AI for dynamic reasoning, making it powerful but less predictable. Alternatively, classic orchestration uses rigid rules for scenarios requiring absolute control. You must then design capabilities by defining the agent's scope, voice, and grounding it with the right knowledge sources and tools. Finally, understanding economics is crucial. Agents consume messages, and complex AI reasoning costs more than simple static answers. Balancing generative power with deterministic logic is key to managing both performance and budget. Welcome to the guide on designing agent capabilities. Once you know the type of agent you are building, you need to decide exactly what it can do. This happens in 3 key areas: knowledge, tools, and voice. First is the power of grounding. An AI agent is only as good as its facts. To prevent it from making things up, you must anchor its brain to your actual knowledge sources, like SharePoint folders, public websites, or internal databases. This ensures it only gives answers based on your verified documents. Next, you need to equip the tool belt so the agent can take action. Knowledge allows it to explain a policy, but tools allow it to do the work. You can use prompts for summarizing, connectors to talk to thousands of apps, like SAP, to process a real refund, or agent flows to execute strict sequential steps for things like security checks. Finally, determine the brand voice. Your agent is a digital employee. Should it be professional and concise for a law firm, or energetic and playful for a gaming company? You define this personality in the agent's instructions, which serve as its employee handbook.
Welcome to the guide on managing edge cases. No AI is perfect, so you need a plan for when your agent simply doesn't know the answer. The first line of defense is conversational boosting. When a user asks a question, if the agent doesn't have a pre-scripted answer, it acts as a safety net by searching your connected documents to generate a relevant response. If that fails, we move to the second safety net, system fallback. Here, the agent politely admits its limitation and asks if the user would like to speak to a human. Finally, for high-stakes or frustrated moments, we have escalation. This is a graceful exit strategy where the agent hands off the entire chat history to a live human agent, ensuring context isn't lost and the user feels supported.
Here's your blueprint for designing effective AI agents. First, define the agent. Will you extend Microsoft 365 internally or build a standalone agent for the outside world? Next, design the brain. Choose flexible generative AI for reasoning or classic rules for predictable control. Third, build capabilities by grounding the agent with real knowledge, equipping it with tools for action, and defining its voice and safety nets. Finally, manage economics. Understand that reasoning costs more than simple answers, so balance your logic to optimize spending. Strategic design is the key to real business value.